In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare baseline versus actual in Microsoft Project. When you're tracking a live project, the goal is to see how your current schedule and progress stack up against the original plan you committed to. This walkthrough assumes you've already saved a baseline. Without one, the comparison fields will be blank. Let's begin with the most intuitive option, a visual comparison. Go to the View tab, find the Task Views group, open the Gantt chart dropdown, and choose Tracking Gantt. This view overlays your baseline alongside the current schedule so differences are easy to spot. The baseline bars, usually gray, represent your original planned start and finish dates. The colored bars, often blue for ongoing work and red for critical tasks, show where things stand now. Look for gaps between the gray baseline and the colored bars. If the current bar starts or finishes to the right of the baseline, that indicates a delay. If it's to the left, you're ahead. Use the zoom controls to adjust the timescale and hover over bars to see exact dates without opening task details. Now, let's quantify those differences. On the View tab, in the Data group, select Tables, then Variance. This table adds columns such as Start Variance and Finish Variance. Positive values mean the task is scheduled later than planned. Negative values indicate it's earlier than planned. You may also see cost-related variance fields, which help you assess whether schedule slips are affecting the budget. These values update automatically as you record progress, so you can sort or scan for the largest variances and prioritize where to intervene. If you need to compare effort, switch to the work perspective. Go to View, Tables, and choose Work. Here you'll see work, baseline work, variance, and actual work side by side. This makes it clear whether tasks are consuming more or fewer hours than planned. For higher-level analysis, look for baseline budget work fields within your task or resource views to assess overall capacity and funding against what's actually being used. To present your findings, take advantage of built-in reports. On the Report tab, open Dashboards or Resources and select a view like Project Overview. These reports roll up schedule and cost performance against the baseline into clear charts and summaries, ideal for status meetings or sharing updates with stakeholders. Because the reports are dynamic, they reflect your latest actuals and schedule changes without extra setup. Use the Tracking Gantt to see changes, the Variance table to measure them, the Work table to understand effort, and reports to communicate results. With these tools, you can confidently track performance against your original plan and take action where it matters most.